Direction. Start. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, next one. You know, it's so beautiful smell. This town heaven smell, you know, because it smell of fried meat. Mechanics. Come on, G7. Coffee. Sometimes people coming to drink coffee. Some people eating food. It's very busy. That I watch that road. I'm lucky I don't have to go there. What is funny, last night everybody had flags, yeah, but today not so many people. I think I need to go to another side of the bridge. I don't know where is the bridge. The bridge is a little bit forward because it's somewhere in that side. You see, the navigation is lying to me a little bit, but now it's showing me right. So this is Hanoi so far, yeah? It's beautiful, busy, but I'm telling you, heaven smell of food. Because fried chicken, yeah? Because people here cooking a lot, yeah? Of course, big population need more food, yeah? And so far more. I hope I find this roads. No, I don't find it. So something is not writing wrong, yeah.